Assalamualaikum, hi kids, welcome to my channel Learn with Tolomolo. In this video we are going to draw house. First of all we draw tree. Let's start drawing. Watch the video until the end.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
like the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you next video.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.